Summer's around the corner. It's time to get the pool out and enjoy it. But at the same time, we're also going to upgrade our new filter. So every year I try to get the newest, latest and greatest, and this is it right here. So let's take a look at it and see how to install it. Alright, it's that time of the year when you actually get your pool filters out or get your new ones now that summer's around the corner. Now we're going to start getting this filter, this new system, to get into our pool. So we come instructions included with it. You get the filter, large filter system in here, accessories, alright? Here's all the accessories that you require, alright? This is so you won't throw any sand into the system itself, so they always include these. The base of the tank, the actual module controller. Here's the simple steps. You got your clothes, your backwash, your recycler, rinse, filter, and waste. And then winter mode, all right? You got your winter mode, that's important. So when you're gonna shut it off for a couple of weeks or days, this is what you do. You got your pump in and your pool. That's very simple. Your waste, open it so your waste could go throughout. This you could attach a hose in here. I have a long hose that I attach to this system because I like to drain it away from the actual pool. And then the whole filter system itself. All right, so we're gonna put this together along with everything that was included. We can't forget the bad boy, this big pump right here that's gonna do all the hard work right here. We're gonna set this up. I like to give you this option. It's a viewing mode in case you have anything stuck on there. They have this in viewing mode. First thing I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna lose it, put it in the washer, put in the viewing mode, just twist it, hand twist it. All right, I like this that comes with this extractor, goes underneath here. All right, you lock this motor in here with the nuts. All right, and the actual pump goes in here. The actual filter system goes on here. I set this direction right here on this area here. You can see that this is where I want my pump to go. All right, now that we set it up on the bottom with the nuts here, the ring goes on the top. If you guys can see the ring. Now this thing has a open and unlock. This is closed this way direction. All right, we're gonna set up the top because this is gonna go in the top here, and this part's gonna go in for this direction. I like to add plumber's tape. All right, we're gonna set up the pressure gauge, and I like to actually add a little bit of plumber's tape. All right, and the reason is that it just gives it a lot more pressure. So get rid of the old one first, pressure, and then we're also going to use the washer that from the existing valve that it had. All right, so we're going to do that. So if you're just about there, look at that. So that's perfect. So we got the viewing port and then the gauge. Let's see how much pressure we're going to get in there. And then of course we're going to also set these up so they could actually have some pressure in there. So we're going to put in some plumber's tape. I like to put plumber's tape on everything, and make sure you have these washers on everything too. See, I have plumber's tape. I like to put plumber's tape from experience. I always do now. We're going to put the cotton balls in here. Gonna make sure that this goes in here first. Line it up straight. It's very important. Cover it up. All right. You don't want any cotton balls. Make sure it goes beyond the minimum, at least near the max. All right. Right now they're shrinked up, but when you add water, they're gonna raise up a little bit more, and you're gonna see above the actual minimum. If you see that you don't have enough, you can always replace and add some more. So right now we're adding the water so we can see how much, if we're gonna need some more or this is enough, but it looks like it's gonna be enough right now. So they're gonna expand with water. We're just gonna fill it up halfway so we can let it expand. All right, we come to a critical point right here where we're gonna mount this into it. We got our plumbing tape already. We fixed all these up. We got everything. We're gonna take out the actual tape on here. Now I'm gonna keep it on close right now, as you can see. So this is a critical point because it has two valves in here. So make sure you put this in the right way. So if you guys can see, we're gonna accurately set it up this way so the pump will come in one direction. I'm gonna take this off now. We have everything ready. Line it up. Push the pressure down. And we have it fixed. Make sure the washer, this silicone washer is set up or it's gonna leak. So we got that in place. We're gonna bring the brace and set it up. All right, before we start tying things up, we're gonna set this up, all right? And once the washer's in there, it's gonna grab on the whole thing. Do the screw wherever you're gonna have access to it, all right? So I'm gonna have access to it in the back mostly. So I gotta find out exactly where I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna do it from this side. Make sure that both ends, both lips are actually attached to it. Make sure they have to. There we go. Got that. Screw goes in. On. It's okay, we need to push. There we go. Tie some more without running it this way, so this pump could grab onto this too. So, and it has to go in here, so we're gonna have to twist it some more, enough where we could set it up. It could go under like that. It's gonna go like that. All right, first time we're gonna open the valves. All right, that means I'm gonna drain these. I'm gonna actually drain them, open them. There's one entrance. There's the other one. We're gonna see for leaks. That's the only way we're gonna find out. So I have a couple of locks in here. This one too. And I feel a lock passing by now. And I do see a leak here, if you guys can see it. So I'm gonna tie it up some more. Move to the next level. Now we're gonna go ahead and start with the back end first. Unlocked already. Make sure the water is passing through everything. It's closed right now. The valve's closed. We're gonna go ahead and open it up in filter 1 for now. All right, so the water could go in here, sucking the water in there. We're gonna do backwash in a bit too to get rid of some of the air that you have. All right, make sure you guys do that. Rinse and backwash too. And for that we're gonna open the valve on the right. We're gonna turn it up. Hold the button down. Make sure it works first. Let it look at your connections. Make sure nothing's leaking. All right, let's go review. All right, these two right here are coming from the pool into the filter on the side. If you guys can see, this is the filter's basket. It goes into the pump. All right, this is the pump right here, and this is the pool. All right, this is the only thing I don't like, the crossover right here, but if you have enough slack, it should be good enough. And make sure you put plumber's tape in there. So we are gonna tighten it up a little bit more, but look at the pressure on this. Look at that. Working really well. Strong pressure. Clean up the beautiful pool here. Lots of pressure. That's what we want to see. Say when you first run it, look for leaks. We see one. All we have to do is tie this up right here. That's all we got to do. Just tie this up and we're good. I'm going to tighten it up some more. Nice and tight. Pressure's on the green. We're going to set up the timer. Right now it's set for 2 hours. All right, you could do 4, 5, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and then 24 hours. To set up the timer, stop it. To set up the timer, you hit the timer. Look at that. You got to stop it to set up the timer. We're going to set up 2 hours right now. And that's about it. That's all you got to do. Now, mandatory to avoid warranty, you got to ground this, all right? All right, we're going to run a wastewater. Right now, it's going to leak this way for now, but it's okay. We have a drain. And what we're going to do is run the waste while the filter's on. And we could rinse it after. So, to run it, you could do it while it's on. Look at that. Starts leaking all the stuff out. Close it. Backwash. Recreational. Rinse. That's what we want. Rinse. And filter. The only reason I'm not running is because it's brand new water too. And it's really fresh and clean. But we do that to pressurize it. Every time you have problems and it's not pressurized, run it through here. Alright? You'll see the gauge. Right now we don't have to move it, do it at the moment, but always run your cycles so you can get that nice pressure. Recommendation, if you can, lift this a little bit off the ground so this kind of scenario won't go. I am going to add bricks to it so I could elevate at least maybe an inch high or 2. But right now at the moment, we're testing it out still. Running really good. Alright, the pressure is really good on this pool for itself. The maintenance is minimum on it because it has the automatically off and on. Now the only thing I recommend you is once in a while, if you have the fog or it's slow, really slow, runs the waste cycle. But overall, this is going to last you for many seasons, just like this pool has lasted me. So this system here, it's a great value for the price that you're going to get. With the family, having fun during the summer, this is perfect for all of you guys. So if you guys are looking for a great filter, this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.